These brushes were sent to me so I could make this video and try them out. Let's have a closer look. So it comes in a pack of a bunch of these. If you are anything like me and you use toothbrushes all the time to clean, this is such a nice set. And the reason that these are better than toothbrushes is you can see these bristles are really stiff, so it really helps a lot more for cleaning than a toothbrush or something like that. And you have the two sides, so you have this side to get into really kind of these tight or skinny spaces, and then you got the bigger bristles like this that just do a great job for everything. We live in an older home, so I'm always doing random projects and I always need brushes like this to clean various things. We even like to put a bunch of these in the kitchens, so for random things to clean where just a normal rag or sponge or brush doesn't work, we can use these and they clean very well in the kitchen. For cleaning pipes or car parts or just various other things, this is just great. It's nice to have a huge set like this so you never run out. Well, hopefully it's a long time before you run out. But yeah, if you ever use toothbrushes to clean, this is definitely a step up and it's worth getting. They're not really expensive. It's so much better.